Come here, baby. Mommy got you flowers. Come here. Ozzy, can you say, here's the flowers. Can you say something for Mommy? Come here. I want you to say this, okay? Say, kahamanache, ha,
Yaki.
ka, ka, ka,
Go.
hum, manite,
Night.
che,
Okay.
ha. Do you know whose smile you have? You don't know. I love you. I love you. You are the best of both of us. Come here, you're the best of both of us. Can you say, I'm the best of both? Yeah, you are. You are the best of both. For me? Come here. Give thumbs up, like you just did. Mommy just got home from work. Mommy just got home from work. Oh man, I look bad. Let's fix this. Let's fix this. Mommy just got home from work.
Mommy got you work.
Here. The best of us. Right here. Right here. The best of us. Right here. Smell good. You smell good. You smell good. Come here. You smell good and I miss you. Can you say, I want you to say something to your pee, okay? Can you say, come night, JP? Can you say, I love you, Pooh? The best of both of us. Yeah. Yeah. Ozzy, can you say miso?
Miso.
Do you know what miso means?
Miso.
Yeah, you know what miso means. Miso is your other culture. Other culture. You remember when you talked to Daddy? No. You remember when you talked to Daddy? And Daddy says,
I adore him.
you adore him? I know.
Adore him.
Yeah.
I do.
Yeah, you do. You do. You talk to Daddy, and Daddy says, oh, kamnache dwate. You remember?
Yes.
Kamnache. Because that means what? What's that mean? It means I love you.
Me too.
It means I love Ozzy.
Me too.
Say, I love you, Pete. I love you, Grandma. I love you, Grandpa. You are the best. Yes.
You.
It smells good.
Huh?
You sneezing. Oh. If anyone in Israel right now can please laminate for me, I need you to laminate a picture that I sent to his family of Rampoya, Boypoya, his son, and Ozzy, his son, and make sure it goes in the casket, please. I don't want him to be alone, and he loves his boys. So if you can make sure that his children are in the casket, I will be so